I opened my bank app expecting to pay my car insurance, but instead I found my entire $20,000 savings wiped clean. And the thief, not a hacker, not a stranger, it was my own mother. Last week, I logged into my banking app to cover my car insurance payment, only to discover my savings account was completely empty. Not a few bucks missing, not even a couple thousand. Every single cent was gone. My heart sank. At first, I thought it was a glitch. Maybe I'd checked the wrong account. Maybe I'd moved the money by mistake. But as I scrolled through the transaction history, there it was. One massive withdrawal dated just 2 days prior. And the name attached to it? My mother. My stomach churned. I wasn't even angry at first, just utterly baffled. Why would she do this? I don't live with her, and we've always had what I thought was a solid relationship. Or so I believed. She knew I'd been scrimping and saving for years to buy my first home. I'd finally reached my $20,000 goal a few months ago, and seeing that zero balance felt like a slap in the face. I called her right away, my voice shaking but not raised. "Did you take money from my account? What's happening?" Her response was a heavy sigh, like I was the one bothering her. "I needed it for your brother," she said, as if that explained everything. For context, my younger brother, let's call him Jake, is the family favorite. He's 27 but lives like he's still a teenager. He's never held a job for long, and every time he messes up, my mom swoops in to save him. Meanwhile, I've been working since I was 16, paying my own way and trying to secure my future. So learning that my hard-earned money went to him made my blood boil. I asked what she meant by helping Jake, and she got cagey. Apparently he'd racked up credit card debt and creditors were hounding him. She couldn't bear to see him stressed. "He's your brother," she said, like that justified everything. "Family supports family." I was stunned. I told her that money wasn't yours to take, I worked for it. Her reply, "You're young. You'll save it again. Besides, I didn't use it for myself." That's when it hit me. She genuinely saw nothing wrong with what she'd done. To her, my savings were just a piggy bank she could raid whenever she pleased. She even tried to guilt me, saying I was selfish for caring about money when my brother was in trouble. I couldn't get through to her, so I hung up, staring at my empty account, a mix of rage, hurt, and disbelief washing over me. Who does that? Who takes $20,000 from their own child without asking? The next day, I went to her house, hoping an in-person talk might make her see how deeply she'd hurt me. But instead of remorse, she doubled down. She told me I should be proud to help Jake, that I was too focused on material things for being so upset. She even said, "You're lucky I didn't spend it on myself. At least it went to something important." I snapped. I told her she had no right to touch my money and that I wanted it back. She just laughed and said, "Good luck getting it from Jake. He's unemployed right now." I realized I was getting nowhere, so I left. But on the drive home, a chilling thought hit me. If she took my money without a second thought, what else had she done? I decided to dig deeper. I checked my credit report and every account I had just to be safe. That's when I found it. A loan I hadn't taken out listed in my name. It wasn't huge, but it was in default, and my credit score had tanked because of it. When I confronted her, she admitted she'd co-signed it for Jake. This is just a short part of the story. For the full story, click the link below and watch it on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, so you never miss the amazing stories we upload next.